I'm not gonna tell you. Ouch.
I have not broken anything.
So I managed to. Got it.
Magnetic. Voila.
So we got the enhance auto strip. So we got that. We got a freebie. We got a t-shirt. So I'm gonna open that. And then we got these. I don't know where I'm gonna put those, but at least we've got this.
Magnetic. Voila. Okay. It's gonna get connected. I am excited. So it can do a bunch of stuff.
We are going to be opening up this panel, and we have the LED light strip that's already there, the old one. We are going to get that out. So what you need to do is open the glove box.
go.
Well, yeah.
I have not broken anything. Or at least it looks that way.
I'm not gonna tell you is how challenging it might be to remove. Oh, this is so satisfying.
And I have to remove this to get the rest of the strip out.
We're going to go ahead and disconnect some of this stuff. I think this is the one for, let me see, yep. This was the USB for the older strip.
Okay. So we removed this. One of my good friends, Umair, he gave me this toolbox so I can remove.
Clip right here. If I can get in there. Oh, there we go. Remove this panel. I think it did. So I managed to, got it, plan scratched it, but I managed to pull this out and kind of wiggle it kind of this way, so it gives me room to see everything. So the first thing that we have to do is clean this entire strip up, turn off the air conditioning, and install it.
Let's take some isopropyl alcohol
And wipe down the entire length inside to make sure that it's all clean. This is what I am doing so that it's easier to stick. Packaging is nice. I really like how they've done this. Okay, I think I got it all opened. Okay. This is going to be the end that needs to stick. And this is how it's going to install. Like the lip, the LED lip needs to be on the outside, and you can see the 3M tape right here, and this is going to go all the way. Ouch! Got my head. Okay, because I want to keep it to the as close to the edge, and I don't want it to go too far out. See, as closer you get to the end, the easier it gets. We got the light, at least the strip installed. Okay. This is the second part, and let's see how we're connecting this. Well, I can already tell you that this is going to get connected to this. So there's only one way this goes in, so you can't really mess that up. This, I believe, is going to go into the commander. I believe that's the device that kind of speaks to it. Look at that. And let's show you all the connections that I did. Again, I daisy chained everything in here and connected everything. The LED is connected to connects to one of these open ports that's available, and then the main power is connected to the OBD2, and that's how it is wired.
I am now in the S3XY application, and when you open it up and you have connected the strip, this is the options that you see. This is how the display looks like. I've set the default color to this blue, and I've turned on the Tesla colors. Now you can obviously go through a myriad of colors and change this the way you'd like I said. So I like this. I set that to OK, and the brightness it's custom, so I can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness how I like. At night it does get too bright, therefore I have it at this level. The party tricks all come in at the light effects menu. The blind spot assist, and you've got how the light reacts when the blinker is on and when the blinker is off. Turn signals, I have them when the hazard light's on. This is what it looks like. Now I can turn it, it's blinking. It can fade, running, loading, pulse, solid. I like it to be blinking. By going to the turn signals, I've set it to loading, pulse, a solid color, and then I can go into running and blink, and this is fade. So like I said, I like it this way. It just kind of looks nice. Then you've got the autopilot mode, the acceleration mode, but if I is going to be in the standard mode, I can, that's if I was driving. This is the sport mode. This is my chill mode. Sport, chill. And then I can always set up the auto brightness on these. Greeting animations, I haven't had it to got it to work right, so I gotta figure that part out. Charging, and this is the fun part. So when you can plug it and the dynamics, I'm going to show you right now. And this is what the animation looks like. That's the overview at a high level.